Hey Punch Fitters, this is Chris Hunter, owner of Punch Fit, and in today's workout we're going to be doing the bench press, but instead of taking a traditional 2 to 3 minute break in between each set, we're going to use that time to work opposing muscle groups as well as the lower body. This will give our pectoral muscles enough time for a break before we go on to the next set. So this is a great standalone workout. The only thing you're going to want to do is add anywhere between 2 to 6 more sets depending on your current fitness level. But if you really want a great workout, what I suggest is combine workouts 11, 12, 13, and 14 together and do those back to back. The entire workout series will take you about 40 minutes, but we're gonna really go after the chest and hit every other major muscle group. As always, guys, if any of these movements look foreign to you, reach out to a certified trainer that can help coach you through the proper form and help you pick the correct weight for resistance to avoid injury. All right, make your way to your barbell. It's time to bench. All right, you're still with us. This is workout number 12, which is 2 in a 4-part series. However, this could also be used as a standalone workout. So what you're going to want to do is do workout 11, then hop right into workout 12. I'm also going to be releasing 13 and 14 very shortly, so make sure that you click on that bell so you get notified of some new releases. What we're going to do today is we're going to do 1 round on the bench press, so we're going to continue on with that series. And then from there, we're going to walk over and do 20 seconds of max pull-ups. I want you to look for anywhere between 5 to 6 reps. That's really what we're shooting for. And then we're going to do step-ups, 40 or 35 seconds on each side. We're looking for about 10 reps per side. But we're going to start on the bench press. Once we get over here, we're going to do 4 rounds of that, 1 round of the bench press. We're going in 8 seconds. Let's get set. Oh, got to turn my head around. Here we go. Max reps. Really shoot for anywhere between 8 to 15 reps. And again, I don't like stopping at lockout. I like going just a little farther. So make sure that you push up and then go back down. This should be more of like a medium pace. It's a 1-2 down, 1-2 up. Inhale on the way down, exhale on the way up. Good job, stay with me. I like to go the extra distance on the bench press because it activates more of the upper pectoral muscles. All right, so now we're going to go over to the pull-ups. 20 seconds of pull-ups. What you really want to do is shoot for anywhere between 5 to 6. All right, here we go. You can do kipping, you can do strict, whatever works best for you. Good. All right, from there, gonna pick up the kettlebell, rack it right away. Now, the kettlebell's on the right side. I want to start with my right leg on the box. So I'm gonna go up, push up, and then go back down. I like to keep my leg on the box the entire time. You want to make sure you control your descent as well. Tap down on the box if you need to. We're done in 3 seconds. Finish out that last rep. All right, we're gonna switch sides. Get a 15-second break in between each set. This is tough, guys. If you're not breathing heavy, then you're not forcing your body to adapt. Those last couple of reps should be a struggle. Stay focused all the way through the movement. We have 10 seconds. Three, 2, and 1. All right, we're gonna go back to the pull-up. All right, guys, get ready. And here we go. That's it, stay with me. And time. We're going back up. Now, if you don't have a box or a kettlebell, swap out the kettlebell for a dumbbell. If you don't have a box, just do forward lunges. Ready? And go. Try and maintain that balance. Once you get to the top, make sure you're one straight line. You want to line all 5 kinetic chain points. Good. 10 seconds. Try and fight the urge to have that rear leg assist with you getting up. You want the leg on the box doing all the work. All right, here we go. We're gonna start here and go. Whew, this is tough. No editing here, guys. Back-to-back workout, just like I want you to do them. If you feel that form is getting bad, go ahead, put the kettlebell down, and just use your body weight to get you up. Good, we got 3 seconds. All right. That's gonna bring us, where are we at, Aneta, round 3? All right. We are going to round 3. Aneta's getting creative with the camera. Just don't fall. I don't want you to break my camera.
Oh, did you guys hear that? That's so mean. All I tried to do.
Careful when you step back. Get off my box. Got a workout to do.
Yeah, chop, chop, babe.
I'm chopping.
No.
All right, here we go. I'm trying to make the front leg do all of the work. I have to fight the urge to push off with the left leg. The way that I do that is I transition my body weight over the leg that is on the box and force that leg to do all the work. All right, we're gonna switch. Oh, this is tough. Oh, do I make it look easy? Yeah. Thank you, babe. I feel like you're being sarcastic. No. 3 seconds. Good. 3, 2, 1, and go. Whew, this is tough. Don't hang at the bottom for too long, otherwise you're not getting back up. So, I don't know if you're catching Aneta in the mirror or not, but she's actually doing a functional version of this workout. She did exactly what I'm doing. She has a camera, she's controlling her weight down, and on the way up, as she steps up on the box. And that's what working out is all about. Functional training. Yeah, you'll lose weight. You're gonna put on a little muscle. It's all byproducts. It's about moving the human body the way that it was meant to be moved. And when you give your body purpose, your body rewards you. All right, guys, get ready. We're going in 3 seconds.
Oh, don't tell me you're tired.
All right, I won't tell you.
Okay.
Not that you would care anyways. Since this is a family channel, I won't tell you what she tells me when I complain. So I learned a long time ago not to complain around Aneta. Good. Oh.
High five, babe. Woo.
Come on over here, babe.
Not bad. Not bad.
All right, guys. That was workout 12. Thank you for staying along with me. We're gonna go right into 13 and 14. So, if you like this style of training, make sure you give us
Thumbs up. Come on.
make sure you give us a thumbs up. Hit to subscribe to our channel. Most important though, if you want to be notified when I release 13 and 14, make sure you click on that bell. That way, as soon as they drop, you'll be able to add them to this workout. Until next time, get fit.
Get strong.
And get tough.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my. Oh.
All right, we got to do the next one now.